Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to continue with topic trigonometric ratios of class 10 CBSE pattern. If secant alpha equal to 5 by 4, then evaluate 1 minus tan alpha by 1 plus tan alpha. So first write down what is given in the question. Given that secant alpha equal to 5 by 4, secant is a reciprocal of cos, right? So what is cos actually? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Therefore, secant alpha becomes hypotenuse by adjacent. It becomes a reciprocal to the cos alpha. So take a right angle triangle, rough figure. So the slant height becomes a hypotenuse. So hypotenuse opposite side is opposite side. The base is the adjacent side is. So we need to find the unknown value. That is opposite side we need to find, right? So using Pythagoras theorem, we can find the unknown value. Hypotenuse square, we know that 5 given, so it becomes 5 square. Opposite side we don't know. Adjacent side given as 4 square, that is 4, so it becomes square. Therefore simplify, we get opposite side equal to 9 guys. Therefore O equal to 3. The square goes to root to the RHS part. We get opposite side, that is O, we get as 3 guys. So we need to find the value of 1 minus tan alpha by 1 plus tan alpha. So what is tan alpha actually? Tan alpha is opposite by adjacent side guys. So from the triangle, opposite side by adjacent, we got 3 by 4. So substitute that value in this and simplify. So 1 minus tan alpha by 1 plus tan alpha, that implies 1 minus 3 by 4 by 1 plus 3 by 4. Taking LCM and simplify, we get 1 minus 7 guys. I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.